What's up, guys? Mike here with Restomod Air. I want to take some time to go over some of the different AC vents that we offer and the different sizes so that you can size them accordingly to the area that you have on your dash. So if you look here, I have three of the main different sizes that are in different configurations. So this one being the original design, which is what we call our Diablo full-size vent. This is our Quantum series, which is a nice middle ground. And then we offer what we call the Nanos, which is actually the smallest vent. Works great in those small locations and curvatures on your dash. So this full-size vent is 3 3/4 overall diameter with a 2.5 inch hole that mounts into your dash. Very simple, very large overstated vent. Looks great in some scenarios. The middle ground is what we call our Quantum series. This is probably our most popular because it's not a full-size vent and it's not too small, it's just right. So this is 2 3/4 with a 2.5 inch hole to mount it as well. So if you notice on the back side of these vents, they do have two different overall sizes, but the back side and how they mount is actually the same size at 2.5 inch. So this is the smallest vent that we have, which is the Nano, which is 1 7/8 overall diameter that fits in a 1 5/8 inch hole. So this is the smallest vent that we offer. I wouldn't run this exclusively in any vehicle as it's going to create cooling issues, but pairing it with a couple of the full size or even the Quantum style vents works perfectly, especially this being used on the edges of the dashboard, on the driver's side and the passenger side of the car. So if you have any questions, just reach out to us and we'll get back to you.
That's how it goes, they knowing I'm chose. Need me the flowers, not talking no rose. Was whipping a Chevy, I need me the ghost. I need the money for me and my bros. Ice in my veins, I swear that it's froze. They know when it's heat, it's like right out the stove. Way that I'm shooting, they think I'm a pro. I told them so much that they really should know.